Om Shanti, very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through Abhyakt English Murli, that is 1st November 2020, and the original date of Abhyakt Murli is 11th April 1986. The heading of the Murli is the way to create the portrait of your elevated fortune. The way to create the portrait of your elevated fortune. Today, Bap Dada, the creator of fortune, is seeing the portrait of the elevated fortune of all the children. All of you have become fortunate, but the sparkle of the portrait of fortune of each one is unique. When portraits are painted by the artist, some portraits are valued at thousands of rupees and some are valued more than that, whereas others are very ordinary. Here to portray the fortune of you have received from Bap Dada, that means to put it into your practical life. It is in this that there is a difference. The creator of fortune has distributed the same fortune to everyone at the same time. But because the souls who make the portrait of their fortune are different, the portrait they make are seen to be number-wise. The speciality of portrait is revealed in the eyes and the smile. The value of a portrait is based on these two specialities. Similarly, here too, the portrait of fortune also has these two specialities. Eyes means the outlook of world benefit and mercy, and the benevolent towards those who have done harm. Your eyes have these specialities, then the portrait of your fortune is elevated. The main things are the look, the smile, and the sparkle on your face. This is the sparkle of remaining constantly content, of contentment and happiness. It is with these specialities that you constantly have a spiritual sparkle on your face. It is experienced as a spiritual smile. It is these two facilities that increase the value of the portrait. So, this is what Baba was looking at today. All of you have created the portrait of your fortune. The Father has given each of you a pen with which to draw your portrait. That pen is elevated consciousness and the knowledge of elevated action. Elevated actions and elevated thoughts means an elevated consciousness. With the pen of this knowledge, each one of you soul is creating the portrait of your fortune, and you have already painted it. The portrait is already painted. The eyes and features have also been drawn. Now just the final touching of completion of becoming equal to the Father remain to be added. The double foreigners love painting a lot. So today, Bap Dada was seeing everyone the portrait. Each one of you can also see your own portrait. Can you not? And see how valuable it is. Always look at this spiritual portrait of yours and continue to perfect it. Out of all the souls of the world, you are the few out of multi-millions, and a handful out of those few fortunate ones. However, one is to be elevated and the other is to be the most elevated of all. So, have you become elevated or the most elevated of all? Check this. Bap Dada meeting groups. Do you always experience yourselves to be elevated? Raj Yogi souls. A Raj Yogi means to be a king, ruler of all your physical organs. Be a king who control the physical organs, not one who is controlled by your physical organs. Those who move along under the control of their physical organs are Prajayogi, means subject, not Rajyogi, since you have received the knowledge that those physical organs are your workers and that you are their master. Then the master can never be influenced by the workers. No matter how much someone may try, Rajyogi souls always remain elevated. You now have to fill yourselves with the sanskar of constantly ruling in this Rajyogi life. No matter what happens, always remember this title of yours. I am a Rajyogi. You have the power of the Almighty Authority. You have faith in Him, and so you receive success as your right. Right is attained easily, it is not difficult. Every task is guaranteed successfully on the basis of all powers. Always have the spiritual intoxication that you are a soul seated on the heart throne. This spiritual intoxication will take you beyond all worries. If there is not this spiritual intoxication, then there is nothing but worries. So always maintain this intoxication, be one who has received all blessing and continue to distribute blessings, become complete and also make others complete. Today blessing, may you become a knower of all secret and remain constantly happy by knowing the secret of being detached and loving. May you become a knower of all secret and remain constantly happy by knowing the secret of being detached and loving. The children who knows the secret of being detached and loving while living at home with their families are happy with themselves, and they also keep their families happy. Along with this, because they have true hearts, the Lord is also always pleased with them. Such children who are knower of the secret and who remain constantly happy do not need to make anyone their advisor for themselves or for anyone else, because they can make their own decision. So they do not need to make anyone their advisor, lawyer or judge. Today's slogan, the blessings you receive from doing service are the basis of your good health. The blessings you receive from doing service are the basis of your good health. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.